Hey, it's Aran here. I wanted to show you a little bit how to kind of connect the communities slash online course experience. So when you're in courses, I'm going to pick a demo course and you've got the option of the different pages. Now you only have option for 4 pages, but if you go to curriculum, you obviously have the course content that you can upload. Now what you can do is if you click on preview curriculum, I'm going to show you what I set up. So basically, when you look right here, you see the word here or the button called discussions. Okay, and this is the Zenler version of what a community is like. So if you click on it, you'll see what's called a popover. And a popover is basically the community on this particular topic. So in this case, you'll see that I'm on this module where there's a song that I included, and somebody can play it and be like, okay, this is great, and then click on discussions, and then actually make a comment regarding this particular topic. Okay, so audio upload, which is this one, right? And actually say something, and then other people can then like or join the conversation and say something. Yeah, I love it too, or something, right? And then there is a bit of engagement that you can kind of create a sort of a community style thing as well. Okay, so you're gonna click on post, and here it is. Okay, now you can continue to you can play around with editing this as well in terms of the colors and all that. That's done in the branding. But what this is good for is that you can actually choose to have a community inbuilt inside the platform. Now you'll notice that there is no comment section below the video, below the content. So let me kind of show you how this works. When you look at audio upload, all you got to do is click on enable discussion. Now, if you click on show discussions inline, then the options of commenting will be available below, basically. Okay, this is where it will be available. Now, if I then save this or refresh, okay, now that I've done this way, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna refresh. You'll see that the comments are going to be below as opposed to a popover, basically. Okay, and that's kind of the difference. So you see the comments are now right here below, and so on. Okay, so this is how you can have the community under it. Now the discussions, what's good about it is if you click on it now, it will scroll down all the way to the bottom. This actually looks better, I think, when it pops over, and this is basically what this feature is, which is community. Now, to be able to do this the way you want it to do, you go to communities, and under community, you can actually start a community. So let's say I'm going to click on add a community, and on the community, I will just give it a demo community, and you could do it across the entire site, or you can do a community for a specific bundle or a specific course. Okay, so that's how you can create a single community for one individual course or one individual bundle, basically. Okay, so if you can pick a bundle, then this is where you would do all of that. This is obviously depending on the pricing. Okay, so this is where you would create these communities, and then these communities will be housed inside the individual courses. Okay, so I hope that helps. This is how you make use of the communities. In terms of the bundles and so on, the bundles work in a way where you need to create a bundle, and then inside the bundle, you can choose the content of what courses are going to be included as part of it. Basically, there is no, if you notice the course, there is no way to get to this page inside the bundle. The bundle is simply what courses are included as part of the bundle. And you see those inclusions in the course access page. This should really say membership. Yeah, I don't know if you can actually tweak this, right? But this is really the membership access page. So you would click on that, and then here you can customize the look and feel of your course slash bundle. Now, you will also notice that the way this membership is set up, or the bundle, is you cannot change these, right? So what you can do, if you want to customize it differently, you don't like this particular look and feel, you can simply click on deleting of that one, and then you can actually customize and do something totally different on how you want it to look. The only thing is the feature will not be dynamic, so it will not show all the courses in a dynamic fashion. You'll have to personally upload them one by one. So you could do it like this, where you would put, let's say, add row and put 50-50 and put the picture of the course right here. I'm just gonna put a picture, like doesn't really matter. Put a picture of a dog. Okay, this is the course. And then here I will put the information about the course, or that it is included. Okay, so course ABC. And then below it you can put the information about that course. And once you've put in the information, you can simply put a button as well. So, and that button you just have to manually click here, go to settings, and click on choose action, go to link, and put the course access right here. So long as they're logged in, they'll have access to that course basically. So that's how you can customize the look and feel of a membership as well on the inside, so it doesn't have just the normal standard New Zenly look and feel. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, leave me a comment. Thanks a lot. Bye.